Good evening, guys. Welcome again to this episode. In this episode, people asked me about pumps and what do you think about pumps and what do you think about Wallstreetsbet, this now famous, that goes viral. I mean, famous groups that goes viral, and tweets now are all talking about pumps, and we want to make money and we want to have pumps and catch the pumps and etc. Guys, I want you to follow this video and I want you to watch the video actually if you have time. So I want to share my experience with you considering the pumps and how the pumps occurs, and also how you get the correct pump and the healthy pump if it's correct, and how we should catch the real pump, not the fake one. Guys, first of all, thank you very much for asking about me and asking about my absence, and don't forget to hit the like button. Share this video with the people, and I am very sorry if I commit any mistakes or any errors, because I'm not talking in English each and every day. So for the humanity reason, we are trying to at least deliver something so people can understand what happens. Guys, this is, first of all, this is a legal scam. Legal scam. What happens in the pumps groups, or this criminals, are absolutely a scam. Absolutely a scam. So the story behind these groups are about numbers, and talking behind the name of the people. So let's all buy something and pump it so we can make money, guys, at any markets, especially the financial markets, stocks, say forex, say for example maybe cryptocurrencies, especially the fake cryptocurrencies or the shit coins. There is a winner and there is a losers, and 95% of the people will lose money inside the pumps. Why? Because guys, we have to understand the meaning of anything related to money. This is one of the rules we have to understand. Let's talk about an example. For example, we need to buy a home. So I'm going to check a broker or check a freelancer, or maybe house sellers. I have $100,000, please, I want a home, for example. Now we will discuss the price. Hey, I'm giving you $90,000. No, you have to give me 95, etc. But at the end of the time, when we are going to finish the deal, there is a win-to-win, considering protecting the value of our assets. So I am giving you money and you are giving me a house. So expensive, not expensive, it stays, it stays something valuable. But the pumps, guys, it's something that you will not make money only by catching the first minutes, the first seconds of the pump. And these guys will never let you know what is the currencies that they want to pump. And trust me, they are not pumping anything. You guys pumping the assets, because you buy and your friend buys and she buys and he buys and we buys and etc. Then we pump the coin. So guys, I'm giving you an example here in the chart so you can be aware on what happened exactly. This is a P and T. This is P and T, and please be careful on what I am saying right now. Here, guys, you can see this is seconds. This is a 50 second. Check what happens. Check what happens. Sorry, let me just open the chart so you can be aware of what I am saying. Guys, this is the pump here. You may see this ultra wide candle and this bullish candle, but trust me, this is just something you will never make money from. This candles created to dump your money and steal your money, and this is not an investment, and this is not a way to make money, guys. So here we go. This is what I'm talking about. You can see, guys, this is a 30 seconds. So this candle, this candle's age is 30 seconds and maybe less than 30 seconds. Okay, so we pump, you guys buy here, here, and here, and here, and here, and then when you see there is a high, okay, and by the way guys, when you see a high in the candle, that's mean this is the last ask. Okay, this is the last ask price, I mean. Okay, so someone bought PNT at $6.32. Maybe it could be 1,000, maybe it could be 50,000, I don't know. Okay, so after that there is no bid, or there is people are not, I'm not buying, and they start to dump. Actually they are dumping their monies by simply placing an order, and you guys are the big loser. Okay, so they want you to buy something, and after the pump happens, okay, and people start to buy, maybe 50 seconds or maybe less, hey guys, buy this coin, and you guys start to buy thinking that the money, the market will goes all the way higher, and unfortunately all you have is a dump. So if there is something really matters and something that deserves from us to say, hey, okay, we will buy this asset, is to tell us before the pump happen. Okay, before the pump happen, because guys, when the group said, hey, at 5 o'clock for example, we will pump Bitcoin for example, trust me, at the 5 o'clock they will dump the market. Why? Because they will sell all what they are accumulating already from the low here. So if they are a brave man's, tell the people when to buy and tell the people when to sell. Talking about time, it is now a war of time. Okay, the more time you get inside the pump before the people, the more opportunities you are making. So this guy doesn't want you to make money, and I'm giving you proofs why. Okay, I am giving you the proofs why. And also guys, there is a gift from me to let you know how to catch a pump. Okay, it is not happens every time, but trust me, if you see that signals, go ahead and buy. Okay, this is the first thing. Okay, this is some of the rules that they want you to respect. Okay, okay, sorry, let me just adjust the mic because I cannot see without my glasses. Some basic tips on buying and selling during a pump. And guys, this is not actually even a correct sentence. There is nothing called buy and sell on a pump. A pump is a dump. Okay, when you see a pump, it's your time to sell. Okay, it's your time to sell. But please just understand the proofs of that people are scammers, and I want you to share this video so to let people understand and let people wake up. And I wish you guys can maybe if you understand me, say it in your way, because if you are for example having an American you know, American dialect for example, you can have a good communication with your people. So if you understand me, just please record a video and talk about what I am saying now. So when the pump starts, the price of the coin can spike pretty fast. If you limit buy a coin, we advise you to buy 75%. A 100 percent limit buy does not go through the most of the time since the price is up. If the market buys the coin, the order will always go through. I don't really understand what he means. This is nothing. This is a publicity, so to let you buy 50, 75, 79, 50%. Guys, if you place an order and there is someone who asks with this price, you will get your order filled. Exactly, nothing else and nothing more. After buying the given coin, do not sell 100% of the given coin at once. Slowly sell 25% time, which causes the market not to instantly drop. That's what I'm talking about, guys. That's what I'm talking about. How can we just buy 25% and so we can prevent the dump? Why? Because they sold already, guys, at some exact numeric number or algorithmic numbers. For example, here you can see there is a probability of 1000%. So after 1000%, they will sell. Okay, and that happens, guys. You can see here that each candle here represents 30 seconds. So at a 30 second, you can see that the market goes down and you have no opportunity to make money. And if you do not sell, actually in the same second, you will lose money. These guys are asking you to not panic and sell your assets after 1 hour or 2 hours. And trust me, this is what happens if you wait just a couple of seconds. Okay, this is what happens, guys. See. Okay, this is the closure, and by the way, each candle now represents 1 minute. Okay, so if you didn't even sell here, okay, if you didn't sell here, this is what happens: 64 to 67%, 70% in 2 minutes. These guys want you to stay in the market. So when you get inside the pump and you don't have the speed to sell and get out of the market, you will get stuck, and you will never actually benefit from that pump, because this has happened in seconds and a couple of seconds. The second thing, or the third thing, guys, do not panic sell. Do not panic sell. We have seen in the past a lot of people will panic sell when they are down on their initial investment. Just know, pumps come in waves, so there should be a plenty time within the pump at that you will be able to sell with profits to do so. Do not panic, guys. If I'm telling you, for example, in my videos, do not panic, we are talking about real investments. Okay, we will not compare, for example, Ethereum to this shitcoin. If you didn't sell here and if you didn't panic sell here, guys, trust me, this is the result: 85% drop. And trust me, this is not just 85%. If you read about risk ratio, okay, and you understand money management, you will understand that if you, for example, bought at $6, you didn't lose 85%. Guys, you lost 650%. So to back to your balance, you need 600 percent to back to your balance. How can even that happen? Okay, I don't think that could happen even in years. And even if that happened, if you didn't catch the real second that the pump happens, you will stay stuck for life. Okay, so guys, this is scammers. Okay, this is a scammers, and you will never make money with them. Okay, and they are asking you now, for example, here Tuesday 2 February at 5 GMT, okay, or 70 GMT, they will pump something. Okay, they will pump something, and when they are going to pump, they will actually accumulate from the let's say the accumulation phase or the accumulation support, and then okay, they will announce, hey, get this pump. And when you guys start to buy and pump, when they are going to sell and distribute all their quantities, and you guys are slaves, and I'm sorry for that word, to them. You are more than a slave to them. You are giving them your money for free. Not even with the pumps, not even with the referrals, guys. Okay, they are asking you even to join their referral ID here. Okay, I saw I don't really remember when I saw that they're asking you to get 10% or something like that. Okay, so they are making a lot of money just by robbing you. Okay, look here, for example, this is something that I feel so sorry. More than 20%, okay, 20% of the people in this group will buy more than 500 Bitcoin. Okay, 500 Bitcoin, guys. How much Bitcoin you will invest in today's pump? Actually, guys, I'm really sorry. I accept my apology. But if you buy here, you are very stupid. Okay, I told you already in my videos, no one will give you money in this life. Okay, no one will give you money for free. If I'm talking with you honestly, okay, and you see this my sentences is hard, then you have to understand that there is a fact behind my sentences. I know that this is it's maybe promiscuous, okay, but this is the reality, guys. This is the fact. These guys want to rob your money. Okay, so this is my gift for you. If you want to catch a pump, guys, okay, if you want to catch a pump, every token have, let's say, a pump. After this pump, when you see a pump, this is the dump. So that's why my students in the academy, I used to tell them, please change the color of the candles to that. Okay, this is the bullish and this is the bearish, and I want you to understand that, and just follow my instructions and you will understand the ability of my words. Okay, so guys, this is the dumps. When you see a green candle, this is the red candle, guys. Okay, so here when you see something like that, I mean the accumulation phase, the price goes down and then we create a low. At this low, guys, the market will start to have an accumulation phase. All you have to do is set the moving average, and as long as we are crossing the moving average and start to drop lower than the moving average and then crossing the moving average and then getting down of the moving average, you see some speculation over the moving averages, 100 or 200, doesn't matter. Just make sure this is an accumulation phase and we have to get inside the market, especially if there is the market goes into a rectangle movement. Okay, so I mean flat movements. So after that, make sure after this movement you will have a huge bump. So guys, this is the first condition in the market. The second condition is never just buy and say, hey, we have to visit something. No, set your orders. Okay, set your orders. If you have $50,000, for example, and you bought here, for example, let's say here, it doesn't matter, do not take it seriously in the counter. This is just some price action, so they want you to get out and play with and mess with your psychology, because they will see the fear inside you. Do not care, okay? Just buy and hold and forget about this. Forget about your investment, because you are actually giving yourself an opportunity to catch the pump. So I bought here, and my target is, for example, say at the $1 or 0.80. So I'm not going to sell all the quantity here. Okay, so 0.80, 0.79, 0.78, 0.68. If you have, for example, $1,000, so divided by 10 orders, or set at 10 orders, 5 orders, for example, and then you can have a big opportunity to sell at least 75 of the quantities. That's why the scammers want you to only buy 70%, because they will guarantee that something is guarantee something actually matters inside the market. I mean, they want you to buy some quantities and let the other quantities, so you can get your order filled, and they will sell on you later. Okay, so 5 hours left here, for example. They will announce the pump, and then you will see people will accumulate. From that second, they will start to what? They will start to dump. So there is something you can do with this dumps. When you see some red candles and you have the ability to trade futures, you can open a short selling, but this is very, very, very risky. But buying the pumps is the worst idea you can ever made in your life. Okay, so make sure to understand the price action, guys. Back to my videos. Also, if you are an investor, please choose healthy projects. Choose something that have a real assets, and even if you sell something to someone else, you will not fail. Okay, I'm not fail, but I mean feel. You will not feel that you have done something wrong. Okay, so it is like a ball of fire, and you are holding it in your hand, and then you are throwing it to someone. This is the real meaning of the catching the pumps. Okay, so a ball of fire between your hands, you are throwing it to someone else, and that's the man at the end of time, or when the pump starts to dump, it will burn the whole body. So guys, thank you very much for listening to this session, and like I told you, sorry if I comment any mistakes in English, or maybe my message does not delivered in the correct way, because English is not my even second language, and I tried to say something because we guys teach people in Arabic, and I hope you understand the meaning of pump and dump. So a real pump actually is a dump, and this is, guys, this is a legal scammers, and you have to report them to Binance. If you have any, okay, any, trust me, any proofs to get inside to these people, please report them to Binance. Okay, report them to Binance, and they will close their accounts and they will freeze their accounts, I promise, because I know 100% the rules of the exchanges. So if you get any evidence on who are these people, they will 100% freeze their accounts, and we will stop this scam from happening. And now, unfortunately, I was really afraid that the idea of pumps will start to deliver the whole way, but unfortunately it does happen every day, and there is many groups, but the famous one is the Wallstreetsbet, on Telegram. Remember, guys, this is just a scam. Do not invest your money in pumps, and you will never make money on the pumps, because that happened in few seconds. And if you catch the pump in the accumulation phase, then make sure 100% that a pump will happen, but not following these guys, because these guys will announce the pump after they are accumulating they're accumulating the lows, and they will sell the highs, so you guys can have you get stuck. Okay, this is what I mean. You get stuck and you will lose your money. And they told you, do not panic sell. You have to panic sell, at least if you done this mistake. So guys, be careful, be careful, be careful. Thank you.